recruitment process was transparent and fair. There is no doubt. When Assalamu alaikum. I went to At-Tahzib Ideal Madrasa. I reached over there at 10 a.m. and the departure time of this madrasa was at 3 p.m. So I spent a lot of time at that madrasa. After going over there, I got so much suggestion from the honorable teacher of the institution. So I have many things left to say about the madrasa. Inshallah, an ultimate video is coming very soon about the madrasa. After getting the appointment letter of the institution, I will make a final video for you. Okay, just waiting for the video. Okay, I'm still walking toward my mass. As we can see, I really feel comfort to walk when I make video. Especially for making a video, I didn't hire auto rickshaw and rickshaw so that I can make a video while walking. So accordingly my decision, I'm here. By the way, I can say it, what I have noticed so far about the madrasa, I can mention it with so much confidence. The recruitment process was transparent and fair. There is no doubt. When I took the examination at the beginning time of my exam, the authority of the madrasa announced to us that the process of recruitment will fair and transparent. And after getting a chance to teach the student of the institution, I can also say that they kept their words, what they told to us at that day when we attended in our examination. Accordingly their words, accordingly they are talking, I got a lot of proof that every single people will get their recruitment on next Saturday, inshallah. And every single teacher, those people who are going to be appointed at the madrasa newly, they agree with us that all the